Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a baby shower invitation card, and it's pretty simple to do. First of all, of course, you need to choose a theme. So for today, I'm going to just focus on Halloween, pumpkins, and so on. So first of all, you're just going to create a design. The size of the invitation card would be 5 × 7 inches, and you're just going to click create design. Now here on Canva, I already created some writing. So for example, our little pumpkin is on the way. Please join us for a baby shower in honor of, and then the date and the place. So this is just an example how you can do that. You can start from scratch, or you can also write here baby shower invitation, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of invitation cards which you can use actually, and basically just create one. There are really beautiful ones here, but now I'm just gonna create one from scratch. So I need a Halloween pumpkin or something like that. So let's write down pumpkin and use a free version one, because I'm showing you how to create this from scratch with a free Canva. So basically you can of course change the background color if you want. Let's make it something like that. Now you also need some Halloween graphics. Maybe your baby shower is Halloween themed, so you can definitely do this. So of course this design is not really beautiful one, but I just wanted to show you how quickly you can add some, I don't know, flowers and so on. And yeah, just choose the font. You can change it if you want, and then create the design. Of course, there's another way. You just basically go to baby shower invitation templates here on the design, and you just basically click like that, edit it however you like, and that's it. You will have your baby shower invitation, which is a really beautiful one. And people have already created these designs, so you can definitely use them. And basically after that, you just basically click on share, download, PNG or PDF print, choose the one you want to print, and basically download it, and that's it. So that's how you create a baby shower invitation card. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.